In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable screen time on Windows 11. If you want your display to stay on and stop turning off by itself, this walkthrough will show you the exact settings to change, along with helpful context so you know what each option does and why it matters. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. The fastest way is to press Windows key plus I on your keyboard. This opens the central place where you control how your PC behaves. On the left side of the Settings window, select System. This is where Windows groups core features like display, notifications, and power behavior, so it's the right spot for adjusting how long your screen stays awake. Next, click Power and Battery on the right. This page manages how your device uses power, both when it's plugged in and when it's running on battery. That distinction is important because Windows can use different rules depending on your power source. Now find the section labeled Screen and Sleep and expand it if it isn't already open. Here you'll see a set of options that control two things: when your screen turns off and when your device goes to sleep. You'll typically see separate choices for when you're on battery and when you're plugged in. To fully disable screen time, set every option in this section to Never. That means the display won't turn off automatically and your PC won't put itself to sleep due to inactivity. Choosing Never is helpful for long tasks like monitoring dashboards, giving presentations, rendering media, or downloading large files. Just keep in mind a few trade-offs. If you're on a laptop, leaving everything on Never will consume more battery, since the screen is one of the biggest power users. On desks with external monitors, it's usually fine, but be mindful of screenware and privacy in shared spaces. If you need to walk away, lock your PC and manually turn off the display to protect your information and reduce unnecessary runtime. If you ever change your mind, you can return to this same Screen and Sleep section and pick a time that fits your workflow instead of Never. Small adjustments, like keeping plugged-in settings on Never and choosing a short timeout on battery, can balance convenience with efficiency. That's it. With those settings in place, Windows 11 will stop turning off your display or putting your device to sleep automatically, giving you continuous, uninterrupted screen time whenever you need it. Thanks for watching and enjoy the control over your screen behavior.